Hello, in this tutorial I will explain the main controls for the advanced spaceflight application. This is the main menu screen, where you can start the game, check the tutorials or exit the program. From here you can also enable or disable the sound effects with the button at the lower left of the screen. Okay, let's start the game. After you press start, you enter to the app's main screen. You start with a close-up view from the Earth. From this view, you can rotate the camera by tapping into any part of the screen and moving the finger while still pressing the screen. You can use the pinch gesture to zoom in and out from the selected object. To select a different object, you just have to tap it. First, you might have to zoom out from the currently selected object. At the upper part of the screen, you will see a logarithmic slider. This is used to control the time speed of the game, and it is very important you use it, since celestial motions are usually too slow to appreciate in real time. To use it, just tap on the part of the slider you want to accelerate time to the selected magnitude. Just below the time slider, you will see a time scale indicator, which shows the numerical value of the selected time speed. At the left of the time scale indicator, there is a small button that indicates the time direction. You can tap this button to make the time go backwards, so you can go back in time. At the right of the time scale, you can see the current Earth date, as perceived from the selected object. When you have selected a star, planet or moon, you will see at the upper right of the screen an Object Info button. You can tap it to go to the Object Info screen, where you will see some additional information about the object. Tap again on any part of the screen to return to the main screen. At the lower left of the screen, you will see the Cinematic Mode button. You can tap it to remove most of the interface, trajectories, levels, etc., to get a more realistic view of the action. You can tap it again to get back the interface. If you have selected a planet or moon, you will see at the lower right of the screen the Spaceship launch button. It will be explained in more detail in another tutorial, but basically it allows you to launch a spaceship from the planet. When you get close enough to the selected planet or moon, you will also see the Free Flight button at the lower right of the screen. This will also be explained in more detail in another tutorial, but basically it is used to manually control a spaceship. To select another star system, you zoom out of the current solar system until you are more than 1000 astronomical units from the selected object. Then you can tap on another star system to select it. That's all for now. Check the other tutorials for additional information about the spaceship controls.